Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Sorry for the late. Sorry for the delay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Please let me know. Can we go ahead? Hello. Can we go ahead, Shikhar? Yeah. Fine. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Yeah, this is the place I think yesterday we stopped. We stopped yesterday at this place. If a dBA of subnet is given as 200, 200, 205, 31, then possible subnet mask. We done this. Now today's class will start now. What is the today's address? Sorry, today's date. What is the date for today? 23. I think so. 23, 5, 25. This is today's date. Right? It is a today's date. Let's see it. Yesterday's date. What? What is the yesterday's date? Let me check. 22. Yesterday 22. It's now 23. Yeah, let's start now. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's start now. Yeah, the problem which I am going to give, that problem is going to be very interesting. The problem which I am going to give, that problem is going to be very interesting. Right? Let's see here. Let's see. Everyone be careful. It's going to be very interesting problem. It's going to be very interesting problem. Consider the following. Consider the following. Routing table. Consider the following. Routing table. Consider the following routing table. Right? So see how the routing table look like. Net ID. Subnet mask. Net ID. Subnet mask. Next one is interface. Interface. So these are the three things. Net ID, subnet mask, and interface. Net ID, subnet mask, interface. Right? Let's see one by one. So it is 200, 200, 200, 0, 255, 255, 255, dot 128. It's going to be A, interface A. It's going to be 200, 200, 200, dot 128. Let's take this, you will get the clarity. So 255, 255, 255, 192. It's a B. So next one is going to be 200, 200, 200, 192, 255, 255, 255, 192. It is C. Next one, 200, 200, 200, 200. Sorry, last one I think 240. It's going to be 255, 255. Just to take whatever I am writing, you will get the full clarity within few minutes. D. Lastly, 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. 4 zeros. Here also 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. It's going to be E. Consider the following routing table. Consider the following routing table. Just to take this table. Just to take this table. Just to take this table. What is the actual problem? I'm going to explain. It is one of the nice problem. I am saying again and again. I am saying again and again. Mostly this will come in the exam. Mostly this will come. This will become or similar to like this. 90% this will come. 90%. Every year I am observing. If you want, you can verify. Every year you are able to see one routing table in the GATE examination. In the GATE paper you see. If you want, you can verify. If you want, you can verify. Just verify the GATE paper. Just verify the GATE paper. Every year one question you will see on the routing table. Every year you will see one question on the routing table. Consider the following routing table. Consider the following routing table. One question will be there on the routing table. See how many stars I kept. Mostly this will come in the exam. Mostly this will come in the exam. Mostly this will come in the exam. Be careful. Now, so routing table means at router there is a routing table. It is a router. It is a router. At router R there is a routing table. It is a router R and routing table. So inside there is a routing table. This is the routing table. What it is there? There is a router. At the router there is a routing table. Every router contains routing table. Every router contains routing table. So let us assume that there is a router R. There is a routing table. This table is available. This table is available. And one more thing, remember. So for every router, see for every router, right? There are some interfaces. These are called interfaces. These are called interfaces. These are called interfaces. These are interfaces. For every router, there are some interfaces. Let's see, it is a A, it is a B, it is a C, it is a D, it is a E. These are the interfaces, right? So interface means connection. Interface means connection. So these are the connections. From router, your data is going. Let us assume that as of now, your data is there at the router. Let us assume that as of now, data is came to router. Router R which contain routing table, some data is came. Some data is came. So name itself saying router. Router is the one which will show the route. Router is the one which will show the path, which will show the route or route you can say. Router is the one which will show the route. If any packet will come to router will show the path. Right? Some people are asking, sir, one packet is coming. Let us assume that. See this one. Let us assume that one packet is came here. See this one. One packet came to the router. One packet came with the destination address. Right? Let's see the destination address. One packet came to router with the destination address. Let me write now. Destination IP, DIP. One packet came to router with the destination IP 200.200.200.221. One packet is came to router with the destination IP 200.200.200.221. That is the destination where that packet has to go. I'm repeating once again. Some people may be not getting. Can you see the terminology? There is a one packet, means there is a one message which came to router, but when I open that message, I got to know that packet should go to destination 200.200.200.221. It has to go to destination 200.200.200.221. This router contains routing table. It will see in the routing table. Accordingly, it will take the decision. So how it will see? Listen everyone. Listen everyone now. So there is a one packet key with the destination address 200.200.200.221. So this router will see the routing table. Accordingly, it will take the action. Now see what happened. It will go to everyone. Listen. It will go to first row. Routing table. Router will go to routing table first row. It will go. Routing table first row. It will go. Listen. Routing table first row. It will go. After going to first row, in the first row, whatever subnet mask is there. So what it will do is, right? See everyone now. This is the destination IP. This is the destination IP. Everyone observe. It is the destination IP, right? The packet whichever came to router, that packet contain destination IP as this one. So it is having the router having the routing table. It will go to routing table first row. It will go. First row, what is the mask there? 255, 255, 255, 128. It is a mask. Now it will do end operation. It will do end operation. Can you help? 221. 221 means how to write the binary format? I think it's a 128 there. Let me write the 220, 221. 221, if you see the binary format, 2 power 8, 256. No. 2 power 7, 128. So remaining is going to be 72. 72 means 2 power 6, 64. Remaining is 8. 2 cube 8. So 64 plus 8 is 72. 72 plus 128. So which is going to be right 200. So let me check once again. Sorry for that. 128. But I want 221. I want 221. Sorry for this. I want 221. 128. If you want to make 200, it's like this. So I want 221. So let's see. Let's see this one. 128 plus 64, which is going to be 192. 192. But I want 221. So can I add the next number 32? 32. Can I add? Check properly. 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus how much required? 21 plus 8. 21 plus 8, 29. But 32 no. So I think 2 power 4, 16. 16. So from the 29, right? From the 29, if you remove the 16, 13. So I think it is going to be 2 cube, 8. 2 square, it is going to be 4. Actually, really not required. Just let me go. Really not required this much. So binary format. Let me write the binary format. So this 221 can be written as 128. Next one is going to be 2 power 7. 2 power 6 also required. 2 power 5 not required. 2 power 4 also required. So something. Really not required, I am not writing. If you see the 128 can be written as 1 followed by so many zeros. Okay, that is also okay. Now if you do end operation, can you observe? See this one. All ones end operation anything. So anything. All ones end operation anything. All ones end operation anything. Until now, fine. Now observe. So first one only, right? Remaining all will be zeros. It is the 128 only. So what I mean to say is, can you observe now? The destination IP, whatever I have, I took the destination IP in the first row subnet mask, whatever there, I done the end operation. When I done the end operation, you know very well. Subnet mask end operation with IP. You will get the subnet ID. So whatever you got, is this ID matching? No. After doing end operation, you should get the subnet ID. Subnet ID means net ID you should get. So whatever subnet ID or net ID you got, is it matching in the same row? No. That means the IP, the destination IP, whatever is there, that packet cannot go through this path. Let's see the next one, right? You know very well. IP and subnet mask end operation will give subnet ID or net ID. If you want, you can write subnet ID. If you want, you can write here subnet ID. There is no problem. Subnet ID. So after doing end operation, you will get the subnet ID. Is that subnet ID matching? No, not matching. Not matching means interface A, you cannot go. Interface A, your packet cannot go. Those people who are having still doubt, can you see the second one? Now, destination IP, I will take same. Careful everyone. Destination IP. But anyhow, because of same packet, I have to do end operation with all the people. This also I have to do end operation. This also required. This also required. Because of anyhow, it is required. Let me convert into binary format. So 128 plus 64, 192. 192 plus 8, 192, right? 192 plus 8, which is going to be 200. 200 plus 20, right? 220 plus 1, 2 power 0, 1. It is a binary number. So let's see the binary number. So 7th bit is 1, 7654. 3210. 7th bit is 1, 6th bit is 1, 5th bit 0, 4th bit is 1, 3rd bit is 1, 2nd bit is 1, 0th bit is 1, first bit is 0. So again, I am calculating 128 plus 64, which is going to be 192. 192 plus 80, 200. 200 plus 16 plus 4, 220 plus 1, 221. 221, it is a binary number because it is required again and again. Now what you do is, now see the answer again. 200, 200, 200, everyone observe. 3 200s, next one. Destination IP is what? 221. 221 binary number, everyone know. 1101, 1101. That is a binary number. Now see this one. That will be done end operation with the second row subnet mask. It is the 255, it is the 255, it is the 255, it is the 192. 192, everyone listen. 192 binary format. 192 binary format, how? 128 plus 64 is a 192. Of course, 11 followed by 00 followed by 0000. Do end operation. When you do end operation, all ones end operation anything. 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 So what is the answer? It will become like this. It will become like this. When it will become like this, which is going to be 192. 200 dot 200 dot 200 dot 192. 128 plus 64, 192. Is it matching? Subnet ID, is it matching? No, it is not matching. So B also fail. So your packet, the packet whichever is came with the destination IP, which interface it has to go? A, no. B, no. Let's try for C. Let's try for C. Let's try for C. Let's try for C. I think if you do the C, it will match. Because C also same subnet mask. C. If B also same subnet mask, C also same subnet mask. If you do end operation, you will get the same, which is equal to this one. I think it is matching. So your packet will go with the destination IP, this one, via which interface? C interface. Via C interface it will go. Via C interface. Remember, C side one network is there. E side one network is there. E side one network is there. A side one network is there. D side one network is there. B side one network is there, like that. So listen everyone now. I think C already matched. Let's try for a D also, because you will get to know one interesting thing. Let's go for a D also. Let's try for a D. Let's try for a D interface also. Let's check. 200. So I think 221 will goes to 1101, 1101, 1101. Okay, that's perfect. Now see the right subnet mask. 255. So what is the 224? 224 binary number, if you observe. 224 binary number, I think it is going to be 111 followed by, right, 4 zeros. Just convert properly. I am doing for the fourth one. D interface, I am trying this. It is a A interface. It is a B interface. And it is a C interface also. A, B, C I done. I am doing for a D. 224. What is the answer? 128 plus 64 plus 32. Which will goes to 12 plus 2, 14. Right, next one. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2. 224. It is a 224. Do the end operation now. So all ones end operation anything. All ones end operation anything. All ones end operation anything. Right? So I think it is going to be 11 will come. Remaining, I think, 111, no, 11 only. End operation. Both are ones, then only one. It will goes to 200. It is going to be 200. It is going to be 200. It is going to be 192. So is it matching? Verify. Is it matching? 224. Is it matching here? No, it is not. So D fail. Let's go for E. Interesting answer. Let's go for E. Everyone listen. Let's go for E here. So 200, 221, 1101. Now if you see the subnet mask, right? If you see the subnet mask, let's check here. If you see the subnet mask, I will check the table once again. Am I done anything wrong in the table? Yeah, everything perfect. Everything perfect. If you do the end operation, you will get the, right, you will get the 0 anything. So which is matching? Yes, it is matching. So you can send by E also. It is matching, you can send by E also. Answer is, listen, answer, your packet will goes to via interface C also, via interface E also. Listen, your packet will goes to, right, C and E, actually C and E, but remember not E. Your packet will goes to C also and E also, but C only. What the reason is? Whenever more than one option is matching, I'm saying to you, whenever more than one option matching, remember, select, right? Remember that answer, in which subnet mask more ones are there. Remember that answer, remember, right? Remember that one. Which subnet mask contain more ones? See, here more ones. In the option C, if you observe, here 8 ones there, here 8 ones there, here 8 ones there, here 192 means 2 ones. Total 24 plus 2, 26. 26 ones are there. In the subnet mask, 26 ones. In the subnet mask, here only zeros are there. Only 0 ones are there. So whenever more than one matching, go to, right, take that answer which subnet mask contain more ones. Subnet mask contain 26 ones. Remember, more ones selected as answer. More ones selected as answer. Your packet will go to interface. Your packet will goes to interface C. Why? Subnet mask contain 26 ones, right? More ones selected as answer. Sir, this is also matching there. If more than one person matching there. But in the subnet mask, less ones are there. So this cannot be the answer. If more than one person matching, select that one wherever subnet mask contain more ones are there. Subnet mask contain 26 ones, which are more ones comparing with other people. Right? Please remember, any packet will come to router having a routing table. In the routing table, you will proceed like that. Destination IP you will take, end operation with the subnet mask. After doing end operation, you will get the subnet ID. That subnet ID matching with the corresponding subnet ID or not. If matching, that interface will be selected. Right? Suppose more than one person matching, whichever interface contain subnet mask more ones, that will be selected. So see this one, it is not matching. There is no concept of how many ones are there in the subnet mask. It is also not matching because, right, because of it is also not matching, there is no meaning of how many ones are there in the subnet mask. C also matching, E also matching. In the C, subnet mask contain 26 ones. In the E, subnet mask contain 0 ones. So larger one is 26 ones. So C will be selected as answer. Right? If more than one person matching, I am writing here. If more than one interface matching, then select subnet mask more ones as answer. If more than one interface matching, then select subnet mask more than once as answer. Then I'm writing, then select subnet mask whichever having more ones. Then select subnet mask which is having more ones as answer. Subnet mask which contain more ones as answer. Now let me know if anyone having any objection. Ready, sir? I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. It is the most probable question. It is the most probable question in the examination. It is the most probable question in the examination. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Any packet will come with some destination IP, do end operation with the subnet mask. In the same row, net ID there, matching or not verify. If matching, go through that interface. If more than one interface matching, take that interface as the answer, which is having subnet mask more ones. Which is having subnet mask more ones. Let me know any objection. Let me know any objection. Sir, I have this objection. You say to me, I will help you. Everyone. Everyone. Can we go further? Everyone, can we go further? Shikhar, can we go further? Any doubts? More than one matching. Select that one as the answer, which is having subnet mask more ones. Which is having subnet mask more ones. If two people are, suppose one person is 26 ones in the subnet mask. All right, one person having subnet mask 26 ones, another one having 26 you go. One person having 26, another person having 30, go for 30. Right, perfect. Now let's go to next problem. I think you almost got clarity. Let's go to next problem. It is also interesting one. It is also interesting one. Let's try. Let's try this. Next problem. Next problem is more interesting. You can check once. Next problem is more interesting. Can you check once? Right. One interesting thing I am going to explain. Everyone can listen. One interesting thing I want to explain. Can everyone listen? Everyone listen. Very interesting story here. Very interesting story. From the story, right? So you will get the more clarity. Right? Let's see everyone. Let's see everyone. There is a one network. There is a one network. Right? So let's see what is that network. Everyone observe. 200.150.69.0. Can you say which class it is? Everyone take care. It's very interesting. Which class it is? Which class it is? It's a very interesting problem. This problem, if you can catch, anything you can handle. This problem, if you can handle, anything you can handle. If you can handle this problem, anything you can handle. Which class it is? This is the network ID or subnet ID, whatever you can call it as. Can you help me, everyone? Which class it is? There is a one network, right, with the network ID as 200.150.69.0. There is a one network with the network ID 200.150.69.0. Can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Arey, respond here. Respond. Coming and sitting. Respond here. Coming and sitting. Respond. 200.150.69.0. Which class? My question here is which class? My question here is which class here? Class C. Class C host purpose how many bits? It is a class C, it is a network. Remember, it is a network. It is not subnet, it is a network. So it is a class C network. Network purpose 24 bits. Host purpose 8 bits. Network keys 24 bits. Host purpose 8 bits. Let us assume host purpose 8 bits means it is a 24 bits here, it is a 8. So host purpose 8 bits. 2 power 8, 256. 256 IP is possible. 256 IP is possible. Let us assume I am making it as 4 subnets. 256 there, 256 by 2, by 4. 4 subnets I am doing. So if you observe clearly, 2 power 8 by 2 power 2, which is going to be 2 power 6, which is going to be 64. Every one contains 64. I want to make it as now 4 subnets. 4 subnets. You only say, if at all 4 subnets, subnet purpose 2 bits. 2 bits per subnet. So that 4 subnets possible. Right? 2 power 8 IP is possible. In one network, 2 power 8 IP is possible. But I want to make it as 4 subnets. 4 subnets means 2 bits. Because 2 square. 4 subnets. So every subnet contains 64 people. Every subnet contains 64 people. 2 power 8 by 2 square, 2 power 6, 64. Now listen, some people are asking, subnet purpose, right? Subnet purpose 2 bits, totally 4 subnets possible. What are those? Subnet 00, subnet 01, subnet 10, subnet 11. What I mean to say is, in those 8 bits, so 2 bits and 6 bits. You done 4 parts. You done 4 parts. So I think if you see the first 2 bits for subnet, next 6 bits for the host purpose. So first 2 bits, let's see this one, 00 here, followed by 6 bits. 01 here, followed by 6 bits. Right, next one, 10 here, followed by 6 bits. It is going to be 11 here, followed by 6 bits. Right, I took one class C network which contained 256 IPs. I want to make it as 4 subnets. So I divide by 4. So 256 by 4 means 2 power 8 by 2 power 2, 2 power 6, 64 IPs in one subnet. So I think if you want 4 subnets, 2 bits required. With the 2 bits, 4 subnets possible. So subnet 0, subnet 01, subnet 10, subnet 11. So what I mean to say is, it is the first subnet, it is the second subnet, it is the third subnet, it is the fourth subnet. There are 4 subnets. There are 4 subnets. So I will write also clearly. Can you see everyone? I will write also clearly. Can you see everyone? Everyone see? Everyone see one time? So 200, I am writing clearly, see this one. 200.150.69. It is okay. 200.150.69 okay. Now see this one. Followed by 00. Followed by 00. Understand here. 6 zeros to 6 ones. 6 zeros to 6 ones. This is one subnet. Next one. 200.150.69. That is okay. Followed by 01. Followed by 6 zeros to 6 ones. 6 zeros to 6 ones. 200.150.69.10 followed by 6 zeros to 6 ones. Two 200.150.69.11 6 zeros to 6 ones. Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? See, subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. Subnet 0, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. Is it okay? I want to divide into 4 subnets. I want to divide into 4 subnets. So subnet purpose 2 bits, 2 zeros to 2 ones. If you want subnet area, I will highlight subnet area. Can you see this one? This is the subnet area. Subnet 00. Subnet 01. Subnet 10. Subnet 11. Like this all are there. Like this all are there. It's perfect. Like this all are there. Okay, now observe. Now observe. This one if you observe, this one only if you take, this one only if you take, see this one only if you take subnet ID. This one if you take, this is common, this is common, this is common, this is common, which is going to be DBA. It is again next subnet ID, next subnet DBA. Again it is the subnet ID, next it is the DBA. Same thing, it is the subnet ID, it is the DBA. It is a DBA, perfect. Subnet ID DBA, subnet ID DBA, subnet ID DBA. Now check properly. Now check properly. Everyone be careful. So if you see this one, if you see this value, I may use another color. If you observe clearly, this value if you observe 0, this value if you observe, I think 6 bits. 6 bits means 2 power 6 minus 1. It is a 63. This is 63. Now observe here. Inside if you observe here, 200, 150, sorry here, 200, 150, 69. See the answer. 0, 2, 0, 2, 200, 150, 69, 263. 0 to 63. 0 to 63. It is a 0 to 63. If you want, you can observe here 150, 69. It is a 64 2. It is a 64 2. 200, 150, 69. It is going to be add the one more 63, which is going to be 127. Which is a 127. Which is the 127. Remember 164 to 127. You check properly. You will get the 64. 0 to 63, 0 to 63, 64 people. Next one, 64 to 127. Check yourself, 64. Now next number, can you see this one? 200, 150 dot, 69 dot. It is a 128, 2. 200 dot, 150 dot, 69 dot. Add the one more 63. What is the answer? 171, I think so. Can you check? Can you check here? 8 plus 63, how much? So 128 plus 63, 1 there, I think 6, 9, I think 191. It's a 191. It's a 191. It is going to be 200, 150, 69. It is going to be 192. What about this? What about this last one? Last one, 200 dot, 150 dot, 69 dot. So what is the answer? I think it is going to be 255. 255. So remember, here also 64 people. Here also 64. Calculate properly. Here also 64. Calculate properly. Here also 64. So for the first subnet, see this one. First subnet. It is the subnet ID. It is the DBA. In between is hosts are there. In between hosts there. It is the subnet ID. It is the DBA. In between hosts are there. It is the subnet ID. It is the DBA. In between hosts are there. It is the subnet ID. It is the DBA. In between hosts are there. Is it okay? In between. So these all are hosts. 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 Is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Bro, is it okay? Yes, no. I want to divide the given network into 4 subnets. I want to divide a given network into 4 subnets. Yes, I divided. Every one contains 64 people. 0 to 63, one person. 64 to 127, another person, another group. 128 to 191, another group. 192 to 255, another group. Fine. Now I think everyone is perfect. Everyone is perfect. Now I want answer. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. One more small thing there, concentrate that also. One more small thing there, concentrate that also. See this one. In this area, if you observe, network part 24 bits, subnet part 2 bits, host purpose 6 bits. So listen, if you see the right, what can I say, subnet mask. Subnet mask means what? Network part and subnet part all ones. So it is going to be 255, 255, 255. I think because of 2 bits, subnet part is 2 bits. So double one, remaining is all zeros. These are all zeros. So if you observe clearly, it is going to be 255.255.255. It's 192. This is the subnet mask. So for the first subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 192. Here also same. In this also same story. In this also, network part is 24, subnet part is 2. So network part and subnet part all ones. Right, host part all zeros. I think this is also same. This is also subnet mask same. This is also subnet mask same. For all of them, subnet mask is same. Check once. Because everywhere network part is 24 bits, subnet part also 2 bits. Totally 24 plus 2, 26. Everywhere, 26 ones are there. Everywhere. What is the meaning of subnet mask? Network part and subnet part ones are there. That is the meaning of subnet mask. So subnet mask for all these 4 people, 255, 255, 255, 192. So here network part how many bits? Network part is 24, subnet part is 2. 26 ones are there in the subnet mask. It is also same. 24 plus 2. 26 ones are there in the subnet mask. Here also 26 ones are there. Here also 26 ones are there. That is the reason everyone subnet mask is same. Now observe what is happening. Everyone listen. Now I am constructing routing table. Everyone observe. Now I am constructing routing table. Now I am constructing routing table. Can you observe clearly what is happening? It is a subnet ID. Subnet ID. Okay. It is a subnet mask. Okay. It's the interface. Observe clearly what is happening till now. You can observe interface. It is the interface. Careful everyone. It is the interface. Let us assume that. It is the interface A. Yeah. It is the, assume that it is the interface A. It is the interface B. It is the interface C. It is the interface D. So subnetting is done. Subnetting is done. You have to keep it the interface A, interface B, interface C, interface D. Now observe clearly. Observe clearly now. Observe clearly now. Right? Observe clearly. So it is the interface. Right? I am writing here. It is the interface A. It is the interface B. Assume. It is the interface C. It is the interface D. I am writing randomly. For every interface, in the table, one entry should be there. For every interface, in the table, one entry should be there. For every interface, in the table, right, one entry should be there. Now see the answer, B. Everyone observe B. Let's go to B. If you go to the B, this is the B. If you go to the B, range is 64 to 127. Range, if you observe, 64 to 127. But all the people contain network part and subnet part is 26 bits. Subnet mask is those all 26 people once. Subnet mask is same. Subnet mask is same. Let me check the subnet. So subnet mask is same. 255, 255, 255, 192. Subnet mask is based on how many ones. So network part and subnet part same. Definitely all contain same subnet mask. Remember one more thing is there. Interface E, it is the safe side. This is by default zeros. Whenever nothing will match, this will match. In the table, sometimes what happened is nothing will match. Whenever I am checking the table, it is not necessary every time something will match. That is the reason sometimes all may fail. I will go to the last place. This is the default interface. This default interface will match. When no one will match, default interface will match. Right now observe. Now observe everyone. Observe everyone in the B class. Let's go to B. This is B. Sorry for this. This is the B. In the B, if you observe, what is the net ID? In the B, net ID is this. First person is net ID. In the A, net ID this. Subnet part, see, host part all zeros. That is the net ID. So I think in the C, net ID. First person is net ID. In the D, this is the net ID. So let me write the B net ID 64. B net ID 64. Can you see this one? B net ID 64. 200, 150, 69. It is going to be 60, 64. B interface C. It is a B. So net ID is 64. What about A? A 0, I think. A 0, 200, 150, 69, 0. What about C? What about C? If you see the C, 128. 128. So 200, 150, 69, 128. What about the D? 200, 150, 69, 192. 192. This is the 192. 192. Everywhere first person is considered to be net ID. Okay, do done. I think a table you created. Now observe everyone. Table is created. Now see what happened. Everyone observe. So whenever you divided, see this one. Whenever you divided the one network into many networks, see the answer. Whenever you divided one network into so many networks, one router you keep. One network you divided into so many networks. You will keep one router. How many parts are there? How many parts you done? Right? So for everything, one interface. It may be A, it may be B, right? It may be C, so it may be D, so it may be E. Whenever you divided one network into many networks, so you will keep the router in between. So the associated all network, you link it. These are called interfaces. Now see what happened. One packet is coming. One packet came to router. Everyone observe. One packet is came to router with some destination IP. Let's see this one. Destination IP. Some destination IP. Can you see one destination IP? 200 dot. Careful everyone. 200 dot 150 dot 69 dot. Everyone observe. 69 dot. I am expecting answer. 69 dot 2205. Please help me. So one packet is came with the destination IP 200.150.69.205. Please help me. Which interface it has to select? It will check in the table. Please help me. This destination IP belongs to which subnet? Can anyone help me? Which interface? This destination IP belongs to. Right? Which interface or which subnet? It is the subnet 1. It is the subnet 2. It is the subnet 3. It is the subnet 4. The destination IP 200.150.69.205. This IP belongs to which subnet or which interface? Can anyone say? This IP belongs to which interface? Can anyone guess? This IP belongs to which interface? Can anyone guess? D, right? This is belongs to D. Let's check. Is it working or not? Exactly. It is a D. Let's check it is working or not. Please listen everyone. Please listen everyone. 200, 150, 69, 205. This is belongs to which interface we have to find out. Right? Which interface, which is nothing but which subnet we have to find out. See how it will do. Right? As soon as anything came to router, as soon as anything came to router, router will take that. It will go to first row. It will go to first row. First row, whatever subnet mask is there, it will do end operation. It will do end operation first. Right? It will do end operation first. 192. So remember, 192 means a 1100 all zeros. But 205, if you see 128, okay, 128 plus 128 plus 64, 192, that is also okay. But I want 205. I want 205. 8 plus 5, 13 required. So 13 means I think 12. 12 means 8 plus 4, 8 required. So 28, 128 over, 64 over. I don't want 32. I don't want 16 also. Right? I want 8. I want 4. Right? And 0, 0. Sorry. 13 I want. 0, 1. 0, 1. Please check properly. 205. Am I getting 205 or not? Let's check. 128. Okay. 64. Okay. Next one is going to be 8. Okay. Next one 4. Next one 1. Check one time. Check one time. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 25. So 2 here, 5 here. So it is going to be 10. It is going to be 205. Exactly. Exactly. Now do the end operation. When I do end operation with the first row, so any, right, listen, all ones end operation, anything. It is also anything. It is also anything. Now give the answer. Now give the answer. 1111 remaining nowhere matching. 11 followed by 00 and so on. So now see this one. With the first ID, I done the end operation. Whatever I got, this is I think 192. So subnet ID matching are not verified. Subnet ID matching are not verified. When you do end operation, you will get subnet ID. Subnet ID matching are not verified. Not matching. If not matching, I have to go to next one. If not matching, I have to go to next one. Okay. So right, B fail. First row fail. Okay. Let's go to D. Everyone observe. Let's go to D. Now it's going to be very interesting because of same subnet ID, same IP and same subnet ID. It is going to be very interesting. 200, 150 dot, 69 dot. What is the answer? It is a 205. 205 means let's see the binary number. 1100. Okay. 1101. This is going to be 255, 255, 255. So 192. 192 means 1100, 0000. If you do end operation, whatever you got above, same will get. 200, 150, 69, 192 you will get. Do end operation properly. So that 192 is matching or not. Whatever you done end operation, subnet ID you will get. Is it matching? Yes. If matching, so D will be selected. D will be selected. Now I want answer from you. I want answer from all of you. I want answer from all of you. Can I check further or not required? Can I check further or not required? So I think I verified B. I verified B fail. I verified D pass. Can I verify further or not required? Not required. Why? If more than one person will match also, in the subnet mask more ones. I think in the subnet mask all contain same ones or not. In the subnet mask, if you observe here, 24 plus 2, 26 ones are there here. Here also 26 ones are there. Here also 26 ones are there. Here also 26 ones are there. Here 0. Even though he will pass because of less people leave it. So all are, listen, all will match also, no problem. The reason is all are having number of ones as 26 only. All are having net, right? All are having subnet mask number of ones are same. Am I right or not? When you have doubt, you can check further. When you have doubt, you can check further. Someone saying networking Pora course on the YouTube or what? No, bhaiya, Monday is the last class. Monday is the last class. Tuesday onwards, it will be there in the EPT. Fine, can we move further? See, total story I said to you. As soon as you done the division, one router will come. For that router, all the interfaces will be kept. Because you only done the division, you have to do arrangement also properly. You done the division, accordingly, network ID will, net ID will come. Accordingly, subnet mask also will come. Please share EPT link of CN. It will be there, right? Tuesday onwards, you go to the live classes, you will see that. Tuesday onwards, you see the live classes, you will get the live. Right? Fine. Is it perfect? Is it okay? If more than one will match also, because of RR having 26 ones, see, subnet mask contain more ones. That one will be selected. Now I just want answer from all of you. Very interesting. Very interesting. Can you help me? Can you help me? See the answer. See the answer. See the answer, everyone. 255, 255, 255, 192. It is a subnet mask. Can you help? How many hosts are there? I want answer. Right? It is a subnet mask. If it is a subnet mask, please give answer. How many hosts are there? For the first subnet mask, please give answer. How many hosts are there? Everyone try. Everyone try. For the first subnet mask, how many hosts are there? Everyone know. Everyone know. Everyone know. So 192 can be written as double 1, 00, 4 zeros. Can you help? In the subnet mask, zeros are host. In the subnet mask zeros are host. I think host purpose 6 bits. Host purpose 6 bits means 2 power 6 minus 2 hosts possible. 64 minus 2, 62. So subnet mask, if you observe clearly, it is a 4 ones 00. I think 4 bits for host purpose. 2 power 4 minus 2. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 minus 2, 14. Right? Next one. So if you see, everyone observe. It is a very, very important one. Last one contain how many bits per host? Last one contain how many bits per host? Last one contain how many bits per host? Please say properly. Last one contain how many bits per host? Array? Check properly. So in the last one, if you observe, third octet is 240. If you observe clearly, third octet is 240. 240 means in the third octet 4 bits for the host. In the fourth octet fully host. 8 plus 4, 12 bits. 8 plus 4, 12 bits. It's a 240 means what? The 4 ones, 4 zeros. So last one anyhow 8 zeros are there. So totally 12 bits. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 power 12 minus 2. 2 power 10, 1024, 2048, 4096. 4096 minus 2, 4094. Someone is saying class C. Someone is saying it is a class C. Who said to you class C? It is a different story. We are talking about subnet. We are talking about subnet mask. Who said to you it is a class C? We are talking about new story. We are talking new story. Who said to you it is a class C? Fine. Fine. Bro, fine. Can we move further? Arey, respond, yaar. Respond. Yeah, now give the answer. Now give the answer. In the first one, how many ones are there? 8, 8, 8, I think it is 2. So 24 plus 2, 24 plus 2, 26. 26 ones are there. 26 ones are there. And one more thing is 6. 6 zeros are there. 6 zeros means host purpose. Now in the second one, if you observe, 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, it is a 4. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 ones are there, remaining is 4. 4 for the host. And if you see the third one, 8 and 4, right? 8, 8, 4. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. So remaining is 12. 12 for the purpose of host. Am I right or not? So what I mean to say is, listen, what I mean to say is, everyone observe. What I mean to say is, when the packet is going, when the packet is going from source to destination, when the packet is going from source to destination, see, it is a source. In between, it has to go with many people. With many people. Try to understand, right? So whichever subnet mask contain more ones. Remember, more ones means subnet mask more ones means less host. Subnet mask more ones means less host. Whenever you say less host, listen, whenever you say less host, see this one. Whenever I am at source, to reach the destination, in between there are so many hosts. But when I go to here, in between there are less hosts. If I go to here, in between there are less hosts. What I mean to say is, subnet mask more ones means hosts are less. So hosts are very less means you are very close to destination. Hosts are very less means you are close to destination. Whenever you will go to very close to this particular host, you will have only one host only. What I mean to say is, more than one person matching, subnet mask which having more ones, select that one, because less hosts are there. Less host means you are very close to destination. I will say one more point also. See this one. This is your let us assume that this is your college. This is your house. This is your college. This is your house. Let us assume your college there somewhere, your house there somewhere. Let us assume your college there somewhere, your house there somewhere. So when you are going from your college to your house, when you are at here, listen, when you are at here, suppose in between there are so many villages. 500 villages are there. 500 villages are there. To go from college to house, in between, let us assume 500 villages are there. At this place, 500 villages. But when you come to here, you got to know only 450 villages are left out. To reach your destination at this place, 500 villages you have to cross. Right, when you came here, 450 villages only have to cross. When you came here, 300 villages only have to cross. When you came here, 100 villages only have to cross. When you came here, 20 villages only have to cross. When you came here, 5 villages only have to cross. When you came to here, 1 village only have to cross, like that. What I mean to say is, on the way, so many hosts are there. Source to destination, on the way, so many hosts. So when you are coming from source to destination on the way, hosts are keep on decreasing. So final thing what I want to say is, whenever you are checking in the table, if at all more than one entry matching, select that one which is having more ones in the subnet mask. More ones means less host. Less host means you are very close to destination. Please try to understand. Right? Let's see. In routing table, if more than one interface matches, then select that interface which have more ones in subnet mask, because subnet mask more ones means less host. That means your destination very close. Means your destination very close. Means in between very less people are there. In routing table, if more than one interface matches, then select that interface which have more ones in subnet mask, because subnet mask more ones means less host. That means your destination is very close. That means your destination is very close. Is it okay? That means your destination is very close. Is it okay? Fine. Is it okay? Is it perfect? Check one time. Is it perfect? Can we move to next? Can we move to next? Right. Now I think we done decent work. We done the decent work, right? So we done the decent work. Let me check once. There is a 70% offer going on. There is a 70% offer going on, and July onwards no new batch also there. July onwards there is no new batch. July onward there is no new batch. 70% offer going on. You can use this code. You can join. You can use this code and you can join. EPT 595 ARG. You can use this code and you can join. These are all our previous toppers. This year, previous toppers, these all are. You can go for 1 year course or 2 year or 6 months, rank improvement course, which is the practice course, mentorship course also, test series also. Right? So test series is already live, 50 plus tests are already live. If anyone is not taken, you can take. Right? So yeah, that's it. So in the next class, Monday there, next class, that one we'll see that. And if anyone want to prepare for us, right, placement, there is a best course going on, DSA plus system design course. This course you can join. Here also you will get the 70% discount. If you want to prepare for PSUs, GATE plus PSUs also there, you can go through it. If you want to prepare placements and GATE combinedly, this course you can take. GATE CSE plus DA advanced courses. Sorry, GATE CSE, DA and advanced DSA course for placements. This is also 70% going on. Right? I think, and one more thing is full stack web development course also going on. Thank you. Thank you. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Notes will be provided in the group. Notes will be provided in the group. Notes will be provided in the group. Right? So if anyone not joined in the group, in the description, right? In the description, right? Group link is there. Telegram group link is there. You can join there. So otherwise you can WhatsApp us. We are going to add you also. Notes we will keep in the group. Thank you. Thank you so much. right? You are already there. Anu, you are already there. Already you are already there. You are already there in that group. We will keep already two lectures I kept. Remaining things I will keep today. Right? Fine. Perfect. Thank you.